Dazzling scenery, rich culture and an incredible gastronomic scene are just a few of the things that await in New Zealand. Which is why this breathtaking Pacific nation is one of the most sought-after tourist destinations and is great for every type of traveler. So today, we are going to tell you about some interesting facts about New Zealand. 1. There is more than one type of kiwi. When you hear the word kiwi, you probably think of the little green fruit. But there are actually 3 different meanings for the word, including the fruit. A kiwi can refer to a native of New Zealand. Many New Zealanders like to call themselves Kiwis, but tourists can call residents Kiwis as well. A kiwi is also a type of flightless bird. You can find them all over the country, and large plots of land are delegated as their habitats. The bird is what inspired the nickname for New Zealanders, not the fruit. And this is a fun fact you probably didn't know: the kiwi fruit does not come from New Zealand, but China. 2. Volcanoes are everywhere. Auckland alone is surrounded by 50 different volcanoes, but you can find others scattered throughout the islands. Most of the volcanoes are now extinct, and the ones that are active pose no major threat. Mount Rangitoto lies on an island that is more than 3 miles wide. It extends nearly 1,000 feet in the air, and you can go for walks on it. 3. New Zealand has a hill with the world's longest name. Taumata-Whakatangi Hingakoa-Wauatamati Charipakakapiki Mangahoronuka Pokaifanua Tanatahu is located near Porunghau along the southeast coast of New Zealand. The hill is just over 1,000 feet tall, and it offers a lovely view of the countryside. But it is best known for its name, running 85 characters long. The name is a Maori word. The English translation reads, "The summit where Tamatea, the man with the big knees, the slider, and climber of mountains, the land swallower who travels around, played his flute to his loved one." If you don't feel like pronouncing the entire thing, you can call the hill Taumata. 4. There are 5 sheep for every resident in New Zealand. Livestock is one of New Zealand's leading industries. In 2019 alone, there was 37.8 million livestock in New Zealand. That number includes 26.8 million sheep. Less than 5 million people lived in New Zealand at the time, meaning there are roughly 5 sheep for every New Zealander. Sheep are not the only animal denizens of New Zealand. The country is home to many bats and birds, including the aforementioned kiwi. There are so many animals that only 5% of the New Zealand population is human. 5. New Zealand pioneered women's suffrage. Throughout the 19th century, New Zealand women organized to gain the right to vote. During the 1890s, they sent petitions through Parliament demanding that lawmakers grant them the ballot box. On September 19, 1893, the Electoral Act was signed into law, granting women the ability to vote in parliamentary elections. New Zealand was the first in the world to do so, beating the United States by more than 20 years. Women have played an important role in politics ever since. In 2006, all of the country's highest positions were simultaneously held by women. This was the first and only time in world history where this was the case. And the current Prime Minister of New Zealand is Jacinda Ardern. She has been serving since 2017. 6. Dunedin has the world's steepest residential street. Dunedin is a residential city home to more than 100,000 people. Only a few of them live on Baldwin Street, which has a slope of 19 degrees. The street runs for more than 1,000 feet, which makes it very hard to drive on. But residents and tourists have braved the steep incline. One resident raised tens of thousands of dollars for charity by ascending the street on his pogo stick. 7. The Jedi worship across the country. In 2001, an email campaign took place across the world. It encouraged people to write Jedi or Jediism as their answer to what religion they were on censuses. In New Zealand alone, more than 53,000 residents identified themselves as Jedis. That number meant that Jediism was more popular than Buddhism and Hinduism. The number dropped to just over 20,000 in 2018. What constitutes Jediism depends on who you ask, but some people have tried to launch their own churches. 8. New Zealand is home to Tolkien tourism. All but one scene in Peter Jackson's Lord of the Rings films were filmed in New Zealand. This leads many book and film enthusiasts to fly down to the country. Tourism related to the movies creates $33 million of revenue every year. Tourists can travel to Hobbiton, where the sets for the Shire scenes remain to this day. The government found Tolkien tourism so important that it created the world's first Minister of the Rings. Parliament member Pete Hodgson was tasked with coordinating efforts to invite tourists to come to New Zealand. 9. There are 3 national languages. New Zealand recognizes English, Maori, and Sign Language as its 3 official languages. Nearly 150,000 New Zealanders can hold everyday conversations in Maori, including a majority of Maori adults. The language has become increasingly popular in recent years. Several bands have released songs in Maori that have gained national airplay. More than 20,000 residents know New Zealand Sign Language. It is very similar to British Sign Language, and it shares many signs with American Sign Language. It became a national language in 2006 after years of activism. 10. Antarctica is next door. New Zealand is the 3rd closest country in the world to Antarctica. It has deep roots in the continent. Alexander von Tunzelman was a New Zealander who was one of the first people to step foot on its mainland. New Zealand has direct control over a small part of the continent. It also is the home of many tourist organizations that plan trips to Antarctica. You can book flights or boat trips to see penguins and glaciers. If you don't want to get cold, you can find things to do in Christchurch. Their Antarctic Center provides information about explorers and lets you experience a simulated cruise. The center is a great place where you can learn fun facts about New Zealand. We hope these fun facts about New Zealand helped you learn about a few more things about the country and New Zealand culture. You can visit natural reserves, volcanoes, and glaciers across a number of islands. You can walk alongside kiwi birds, sheep, and penguins.